Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Today I'm here to share with you two new mini album kits that I'm going to be adding to the website, and I'm so excited. These are so cute. So I have the Christmas Blessing collection by Mintai and another beautiful Mintai collection called In My Craft Room, which is just to die for. Absolutely love it, and you guys are gonna love it too. So let's take a look. So hi guys, so welcome back to the channel. I'm excited to have two new kits to share with you. If you guys are new to my channel, you may not know, but I used to have a mini album kit every month. Actually, every month I had three mini album kits, and I will do a video class using the elements on the kits. However, life had become a little bit difficult, and I'm trying to get back to the monthly kits, but for right now I'm just adding kits as we go and trying not to put too much pressure on myself. But I am so excited to share with you these two new collections. I have a beautiful Christmas collection and the craft room collection, which is just so beautiful. So all these kits are gonna be listed on my website. Now, like I mentioned, the kits include the video class, and also shipping in the US is included as part of the kits. So let's go ahead and take a look, because I am excited about these new kits. So this collection here is called Christmas Blessing. It is by Mintai, and I just love all the beautiful pastel colors. So I know we're way past Christmas, but for me, it's Christmas all year round. I absolutely love crafting for Christmas, and I haven't done like a actual mini album for this past Christmas. So this is going to be super exciting to create. So let's take a look at what comes on these kits. First, we have this blue seam binding, and we have the ephemera that matches the kit. We have the stickers, we have the flowers. So these beautiful flowers are by Prima actually, but they match the collection so perfectly. I just love them. And let's take a look at the ephemera. So here I can just share with you a few pieces. So one of my favorite things about Christmas, or one of our Christmas traditions as a family, is to go watch the Nutcracker ballet, because my daughter, when she was smaller, she used to dance on, with her dance studio. They used to do the ballet, and she doesn't do that anymore, the Nutcracker, but we still kind of love going and watching. And I think this paper collection is so pretty because it has so many of the Nutcracker elements. It has a lot of beautiful images. I'm struggling to share this with you, but look how cute this little cozy cup of cocoa. And we have a lot of different stars. Let me see if I haven't done a kit reveal in a while, so please forgive me for struggling right now. But look at the beautiful Santa image right here. So a lot of different pieces. You get 60 die cut pieces on this little pack, and I probably lost 5 of them already, but that's okay. So I'm just gonna try to put these ones in here. I love pastel colors, and usually when we see Christmas pastel color collections, they're most likely pink. So I'm excited that this one has a lot of blues and gold. It's just so pretty. And then here is the sticker sheet. So all of these little images you get as well. And let's take a look now at the paper collection. So you get the 12 by 12 set, and I'm just gonna do a quick walkthrough. So on the inside cover, there's always a bonus sheet of ephemera that we can fastly get around and use on the book as well. And oh my goodness, look at this beautiful image. I love that Mintai always mixes like real images and pictures and landscape, and then does the collage on top of that. I just really love their style. But I'll just give you a quick close-up. Look at the gingerbread house. It's so pretty. and then the nutcracker. I mean, everything is so detailed. And then on the back we have snowflakes, so let's do that. And then here's the next one, again a beautiful house, the ornaments, all the little details, so pretty, the presents. And then here is the back, and then look at this other one, just so elegant, right? It is elegant. I love this collection. And then the back we have different snowflake colors. And then here this looks like a vintage fabric with some snowflakes, really pretty. And then on the back we have the woods, and again another collage, really elegant. Paper here, page. Love these like intricate snowflakes and the flowers, just everything so pretty. And then look at the back, oh my goodness, I love this cozy knit, like the sweater. And then we have the 4x3 cards here, and then these are double-sided. And then we have another set, so we get 2 of each over here. Okay, so that is the Christmas blessing collection. So this is the one that I'm going to be working with next. And now let's take a look at the other one. So this collection is called In My Craft Room. It's also by Mintide, and just look at the beautiful color combination. I just absolutely love it, and I can't wait to play with this collection. So let's take a look at the kits. We have these wooden little pieces here. These are by Kaiser Craft, but they just really match this collection. We have all these little crafty elements, even the yarn and the needles, buttons, sewing machine, everything, like a painting palette. And we also have this fun little wood frame to keep them, but also we can probably use that for our book. Then we have these beautiful flowers. These are by Little Birdie Craft. I just love them. Again, the beautiful pink colors. Then on this kit you're gonna get the 6x6 plus the 12x12, and also the ephemera, or these are actually called paper elements. So let's take a look at this one here. So we kind of have these little folding envelopes that, I mean, the ones that you fold and they're ready for you, and then also different pieces. So let's actually open this up and take a look. So let's see if I can just take everything here. And so some little journaling cards. Look how cute. The paint brushes, and then that is the back. Let's see, maybe I can put them over here. The craft room, oh my goodness, I love that. And that's the back. Look at this. I know that, I already know, working with this collection is going to make me want to redecorate my craft room, or at least clean it up, make it pretty again. It always gets out of hand from time to time, as much as I try to keep it organized. Okay, so a lot of different pieces here, different shapes. I like these actually. These are kind of like, not like ephemera, but like little things that you can stick into pockets and things like that and use for journaling. So we got a lot of those. Okay, so quite a lot. And then here are these little like pre-cut envelopes that you can just fold, right? We can score and fold and make these little envelopes. So we have different sizes of that. So I really like this idea, and they are double-sided. Look at that. So perfect little envelopes to hide some journaling. And oh, look at this one, I love them. And then even the packaging is really beautiful here. So that is the paper elements. So let's put these to the side. And then here is the 6x6, but I think I'm just gonna do a quick look, but we're gonna take a closer look at the 12x12. So on the inside cover, you also have some ephemera that you can cut. And oh my goodness, look at these. Okay, you know what? We're gonna look at the 12 by 12. I already know this is kind of like the scaled down version, but I really just want to look at the big version, and that way you guys can have a better look as well. So on the inside, again, you have some extra ephemera that you can cut. Look at the notebook. I mean, it has every hobby. Like literally, I have every single one of these hobbies. I love to journal, planning, documenting. There is some like stitching here for what do you call it, like knitting, some blankets, everything. I just love in coloring. I don't really do watercolor, but I love it. I mean, I would love to get back to it. Okay, so now let's take a look at the collection. Oh my goodness, if I tell you this is my life, I'm not even lying. This dog looks like my dog, and then I always have a cat around my craft room, or on my table to be more specific, and I have multiple cats. So here's another one, and of course my space does not look as beautiful and colorful as this, but definitely a motivation, right, to add more flowers, to add more light. Oh, I just love it. I am in love with this page. I could live in this room here. And then here is the back. And okay, so we got two of that. And then look at these. Oh my gosh, I just love it. I know you guys are gonna love this collection. Look at this other little kitty over here, and then the doggy, and then another one sleeping over here. They're just so precious. Flowers. I just kind of love this beautiful, like it's not even messy, but you know, like the table full of elements and stuff and notebooks and brushes. It's kind of like our craft room, just more beautiful, right? But the same amount of messiness, I guess, like the cards and, you know, just everything everywhere. It's just so beautiful. And then the back, and then here's another one. Oh my goodness, here's my little doggy again. He's just so cute, but this is more like the puppy version. And again with the notebooks, the kitty, the clock, the window. Oh my gosh, just everything. Look at these. Oh my gosh, I just love it so much. Okay, so that is that, and the back is this beautiful color combination and the collage. And then we have kind of like little vintage images and journaling like pages on the background. And the back, oh my goodness, I love these. I just love that too. I love it all. Then we have some beautiful flowers. So these flowers have a really pretty like background collage there. Just so beautiful, the color. Oh, look at the fabric here. Everything's so pretty. Then we have the 4x3 cards. I'm gonna try to go slow so you can see all the detail, but I'm gonna have to like look at this collection again after I record, because I need to take it in. It's so beautiful. And then this is the back, and that is the paper collection. So those are the two kits that are going to be on the website by the time I post this video. I'm gonna have those on the website, and the video class will be emailed to you. If you purchase the kit, the video class will be automatically emailed to you once the class is ready. I will be working on the Christmas one first, and then we're gonna play with this one, which again, so super excited for that. I hope you guys enjoy this walkthrough, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.